Hello everyone from New York. So if you are new to my channel, I'm Sarah Louise and I'm an international flight attendant, and if you're returning, welcome back. So I am just about to go downstairs and meet my crew. I'm just going to put on some makeup and finish getting ready, but I thought I would quickly do a room tour for you. So as you come in through the room, this is what it looks like. So over here we have a big bed, a bedside table on both sides, a desk area with a TV, and here's just a wardrobe. Let's see if I've got a view. No, I've just got a view of like a wall, which isn't very exciting. And then if you go in here, you get to the bathroom. So you have a big mirror, there's me. I'm just gonna wear this dress. And then you have standard bathroom, shallow bath, a sink area, toilet. So I'm gonna go downstairs and meet my crew now. I'm just gonna stay downstairs in the hotel bar for about an hour. And then I've got a very exciting evening. So I'm actually going to see a Broadway show tonight. I'm not gonna tell you what one it is just yet. I'll take you along with me, but I'm gonna finish getting ready now and then go down and meet my crew in about 20 minutes or so. But yeah, I'm just gonna wear this green dress. Just like that. So yeah. So this is my finished outfit. So I'm just wearing this dress with these shoes. They just look like that. And then I'm gonna wear this bag. Just like this over me. And this is my finished look. So I'm back in my hotel room now. It's about 11:30 at night. And I'm literally exhausted. I've nearly been awake for 24 hours. I'm going to go to bed now. But I had an amazing time at Wicked. It was such an amazing show. I've seen it in London a few times, but I've never seen it on Broadway. And I'm really, really happy that I have now seen it. It was insane. It was so, so good. But I will catch up with you all tomorrow and I will see you in the morning. Night. It's 10:30 AM currently, so I was actually going to go and meet my crew at 10 o'clock. We was going to go and do the High Line, but I'm just so tired. I think I really need to listen to my body and just have a relaxing trip and not really do much. So we didn't actually make a group chat with the crew either, so it's really hard to know if everyone was still going to go and do it, what everyone else's plans were and stuff like that. So I think I'm just going to go to Bath & Body Works because I've never been and everyone raves about it. And then I'm going to go and just get some snacky bits before pickup. But I'll obviously show you everything that I buy. And yeah, so I'm going to go and get ready now and then go out and just have a bit of a shop. So we're getting picked up later. I think the pickups are like 4 PM. So I don't really have that much time and I want to go back to sleep again before pickup, so I'm not as tired. I really hope it's a quick flight. So the flight out here was about, what was it? I think it was about 6.5 hours. So normally it's quicker on the way home, so I really hope it's like 5 hours home. But I'm just so tired. I love New York though, it's lovely. But I definitely still want to do a lot of things when I come back. But I'm going to bid for it because this trip is very easy to get. So when bidding opens on Saturday, I think I'm going to bid for another New York. But I hope that the crew actually want to go out and do things, because I know I did obviously go out and do my own thing. I went to see Wicked yesterday, went out for food, but it is nice when you have a good crew. Like the crew does definitely make or break a trip, I feel. So it is always nice to get a really good crew that want to go out and do things with you rather than just like go and drink, because I would rather go out and explore than just get drunk. But anyway, let's go out and see what we are going to just got back to my hotel and I went to Bath & Body Works and also Walgreens, so I'll quickly show you what I brought. Sorry about the lighting, it's really bad here. But it was my first time in Bath & Body Works and it was amazing. It was everything that I'd hoped it was going to be. So they had a deal on at the moment, so it was buy 3 get 1 free, I think it was. So first I picked up this, which is the Pure Wonder Shea Butter Cleansing Bar. Next thing I got was this, which is You're the One by Bath & Body Works Aloe and Vitamin E Shower Gel. It smelled really good, like the spray, but they'd run out of it, so I settled for that. Then I got In the Stars Diamond Shimmer Mist. And then the last thing that I bought was another from You're the One, which is the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. So I can't wait to try them. And then from Walgreens, quickly show you. So I picked up a Sprite. I'm so thirsty. And then I got, so you might think I'm a bit weird, but I love Gherkins. So I got the Oh Snap Dilly Bites. I got 2 of those. I got some mango, which I'm going to eat now. And also I'm going to eat the red grapes that I got now as well. I'm sorry about the angles as well, it's not very good. Then I picked up these Laffy Taffies, and these are the Candy Laffa Bites in the tropical. And then I also picked up these Sour Punch Mini Bites, assorted flavours. So they have strawberry, green apple and blue raspberry. And then the last 2 things that I brought were just presents for back home. So I got my fiance this key ring. So it just looks like that, and it just says New York on it. And then I got my mum a fridge magnet, which is like that, and it just says New York Times Square. So I'm going to eat my fruit, have some of my drink, and I'm going to have a nap before pickup.